Hi guys, welcome to this video. Now we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up JobNimbus Action Automation for workflows. This is one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your JobNimbus platform, and more importantly, execute actions directly from your workflow. So let me break it down for you. At your agency level, you go at App Marketplace to search for the app JobNimbus. We click on it, we go at install, we select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. So let's go for sub account one, continue, we go at allow and install, we choose the plan, we confirm it, we complete the installation, and we automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link. So we click here, we make sure it's copied, and then we switch back to the agency level in order to create a custom menu. Back in the agency, we go at settings, custom menu links, create new. We have to fill this form. We start by selecting an icon for our custom menu name. As you can see, we have different icons here. When we're done here, we type a name for our custom menu name. How do we want to name our custom menu name? For example, we decided to name our custom menu name Great App. So if you guys name your custom menu name, let's say my tools, make sure you have my tools there. So we're gonna come back here. We paste the custom menu name URL that we copied. Scroll down and we select an account where you want our tools to be available, and we can also decide whether we want to give access to a particular user or to all users access to all the information. When we're done, we make sure we save. Next step is to switch the sub account in order to connect the tool to our JobNimbus platform. Let's do it right away. Inside the sub account, we go and look for the custom menu name. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu name Greg App. So if you guys name your custom menu name my tools, you make sure you have our tools here. So we go on Greg Apps. As you can see, we have apps available and connected. If you try to search for job name, you notice it doesn't pop up, it means it's already connected. So let's go at connected apps. Bingo, we got job Nimbus here. Now let's pretend that job Nimbus is not connected yet, but we want to set it up. So you just have to go at setup. There is an API key required in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, as you can see, it's written how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a small queue showing you how to get that credential. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our JobNimbus platform in order to get it. Inside JobNimbus settings and then API, you can see we already have an API key created here, but let's create a new one. So we go on new API key, say for example, salesman, profile, we choose admin, and we save. There you go. We have the API key here. We just have to copy, we switch back here, we get it pasted, and we submit. Bingo. Now the tool is already connected to our JobNimbus platform, and we're able to start executing actions directly from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you enjoyed this video at some point, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to click our subscribe button. Thank you for watching.